It is Tuesday. It's a little gloomy day in Atlanta right now. Just did my skincare, my oil pulling, all that good stuff. Made me a little tea. I'm just gonna chill this morning. A little busy day. Not like super jam-packed busy, but I have a few things to do. First things first. Broke a freaking nail. I'm gonna get these cut down anyway. She did them way too long. And then the Museum of Illusion sent me tickets. So I'm gonna go there at like 4. My appointment's at 4:20, and check out the Museum of Illusions, get a little content, and then probably go have a cocktail at my homegirl's job. Go pull up on her and see her. That's really it. It's just gonna be a get out the house day, and I need that for real. So yeah, probably get dressed in a little bit, chill around the house, and then start getting cute. It's all on the agenda for today. Nothing much, nothing much. We like that. We love it easy, chill day. But yeah, girls, we just gonna chill. I got on some little lo-fi jazz in my room right now, and I'm just like relaxing. But yeah, I'll bring y'all with me. I'll see y'all when I get dressed. Alright, so we have successfully made it out the house. I am on my way to get this nail fixed. Hopefully it should just be a few minutes. Hopefully it's not packed. It shouldn't be. It's Tuesday. But yeah, get this done and then I'll catch up with y'all. Hello. Just getting a filling and a cut down. I mean, not a filling, a nail repair and a cut down.
A few moments later.
Alright, your girl is back in the game. I got my nail fixed. I still ain't get a damn fill-in because I'm trying to save money, so I still need a fill-in. But yeah, we're about to go to the museum. Well, actually, I'm about to walk in TJ Maxx really quick because my Uber's not gonna be here for 5 minutes. So yeah, we got time to kill. I'm not even gonna do that to myself, y'all, because they say my Uber 2 minutes away, so I'm not going to TJ Maxx. So we're going to just wait out here for our Uber. I am gonna get there super early, so I might go to Yard House and have a little cocktail first. We'll see. I am at Atlantic Station. I still have like an hour and 20 minutes left before I have to be at the museum. So I'm about to go get a cocktail and maybe a little snack. I don't know. But yeah, I need me a little drinky drink.
I love you.
Y'all, it is so freaking hot outside. I might just get a glass of Prosecco. Thank you. Yeah, I might get a glass of Prosecco because I'm going to see my homegirl at the bar she works at after, and I know she's going to get me right. So let's see what their cocktails looking like. Oh, it might be happy hour. Let me see. Happy hour 3 to 6. I might get a little snack.
It is happy hour. I don't know if you know.
On the food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. You a vlogger?
Yeah.
That's dope. My friend be vlogging.
It's fun.
It is fun.
Yeah. I do mostly food, but I do like spend a day with me type of stuff too.
You got, what's your YouTube channel?
Brittany_Denise.
Brittany.
Y'all, why this motherfucking trifling ass Uber driver gonna pull up directly in front of me, not let me open the door and cancel the ride and pull off? Like, I cannot. It's too fucking hot. Like, it's too hot to be playing. Like, yeah, no, that just pissed me off. But I'm just waiting on the next one. It should be here in 3 minutes. Fixed it. Never fixed it, girl. Yeah. Oh, thank you, friend. That was so good. I want to say hey to my blog friend. Hey, Shalika, best bartender in that motherfucking city. Period. Y'all, my friend asked me if I wanted to take an espresso martini shot. This is a whole espresso martini. Shalika, you said, do I want to take an espresso martini shot? This a whole espresso martini?
It is.
Period. We like that.
It's okay. I made a lot.
Period. We like her. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful day in the city. Ooh. Yep. All the way up.
Go up this way.
Ooh. Oh, all the way up. Oh. Yeah, this restaurant is so beautiful. So my friend, I'm gonna let her tell y'all when I go back down. But she said this was a castle. Beautiful. Yeah, she said, so this restaurant used to be in Buckhead named Wolves, and she said this used to be a castle, and some rich family. I'm gonna ask her to tell us what it was. But yeah, this place is gorgeous. My friend Shalisa is going to tell us about this beautiful castle that we're in right now.
This is the Castle Devon. It's one of the oldest castles here in Atlanta. A family used to live here. They had 11 bedrooms. Our restaurant is 5 floors. The 3rd, 4th, and 5th floor, you can kind of tell that's where the family was, where they lived. The main floor is where we are now. This is where it's regular dining. But here, if you go to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th floor, that's where the hookah is. It was, I want to say that was like the Gillen family, McMillan, something with an M. I really don't remember the name of the family. But yes, they lived here, really dope. 11 bedrooms. Some soldiers were stationed here as well. There used to be a cannon on the patio area that shot across during the war times to protect us. So definitely a landmark. Yeah. Very historical.
Come see my girl Shalisa at Devon. Period. Yo, it's just been such a beautiful day. Ooh. It's been such a beautiful day. Like, I'm glad I decided to come out and not sit in the house because your girl was going through it. No, your girl was going through it. Like, we'll talk about it more when I get home. But it's your girl between, like, just the shit that's really been going on and, like, imposter syndrome and just reality. They're not on one accord, so I'm trying to get there. But today was a beautiful day, and I'm so glad I came out. I'm so glad I came out. Yeah, I needed the sun on my face and to put on a cute. First of all, this outfit is so basic, but I got so many compliments on it. TikTok shop. TikTok shop. Let's see. TikTok shop. That's it. TikTok shop for the win. Anyway, no, your girl, I'm not ready to go home yet. So I'm just chilling with my homegirl. She works here, so we having a good time. But yeah, it's a beautiful day in the city. Beautiful. I love summertime in Atlanta. It's nothing like it, period.
Yeah, you know he's special though. English is second language. We will figure it out.
Ooh, friend, this is pretty.
Pretty boy.
Y'all, I'm so excited. So we're about to grill today so that we don't have to do it tomorrow and we could just relax. So, yes, I'm about to get in the kitchen. We just got back from the grocery store. Okay. Yeah. We just got back from the grocery store. Got all the things. And yeah, about to make us a cute little spread. I'm excited. So I'm about to just prep everything, and then I'll probably be back once I like get moving, because we just got back to this from the store and it's like 5:45. So let me go ahead and get started, girl. Smells like barbecue. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we just have that burn for like 20 minutes and we should be
Yeah.
good. I don't have a meat thermometer though, but
It's okay. They're talking about how expensive 4th of July a cookout is costing this year over last year.
Yeah, because you gotta buy all the food.
And food is high. You need to get right here?
No. I'm about to go back outside.
Okay. Appreciate you. Juice is up. Dang, steak is up. Hot dogs are up 7.3%. That's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
my life. Everything is done. We about to grab. Yeah. Oh, I should, huh?
Oh yeah, tag Kroger.
I should make a reel and tag Instagram. I'll tag them. Or should we tag the one we got it from?
Just tag Kroger corporate.
Kroger, yeah. Oh yes, maybe they'll send us a gift card.
Hey, I'll take it.
Yep. Man, I used to have a nonprofit. Not used to, I still have it. I just haven't been doing anything with it. But I used to do events a few years ago. And every year for Christmas, Aldi would send me 2 $150 gift cards.
Keep them both.
When I had USAA, that was the cheapest car insurance I ever had. My insurance was like $166. They brought up your birthday?
Yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, it's next week.
Yeah.
Totally forgot.
I definitely want a sausage right now.
Please eat. Thank you for cooking everything.
You're welcome. That actually wasn't even that. I usually be exhausted after grilling. Hey. Oh, thank you. Just gonna have a sausage for now. And then I'm gonna make mine real quick. The best part about cooking out is a hot dog or a sausage.
Oh, this is too big. It's good?
All right, y'all, we're about to watch Ratchet Tubi movies and smash this food. Adios. Y'all, I literally did not vlog at all yesterday. I ended up going to the pool. It was so freaking hot, I didn't even pull my camera out. Yeah, Atlanta was ridiculously hot. So we hung out at the pool, then came home and watched a few movies. And then that was it. And then I had to work today, so I really didn't do much. But yeah, back to the regular scheduled programming. Work on Fridays and Saturdays. But no, it was a good week. We had a really good time. You saw barbecued on Wednesday. And yeah, we had a little time. So yeah, I just got off work. I'm about to get me a little cocktail real quick. And then I need to go home and do some laundry. But yeah, I'm about to get a cocktail. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Hey Samuel, that was a classic when you told me the car didn't go through.
I knew that get picked up the first I'm so aggravated, y'all. So this camera that I have, the app that you have to use to transfer your videos to your iPad or computer or phone or whatever is called the Creator app. So this past weekend, like I was trying to do a weekly vlog, so I was like every day transferring my videos or whatever. Then one day I just randomly started getting this message that says not enough memory space when I'm trying to transfer my videos, like any size video. So I cleared the videos I didn't need off the Creator app, cleaned up my iPad, put anything that was large onto my flash drive, deleted the app and re-downloaded, and nothing is working. So hopefully by the time y'all see this, that means I got it working. But I don't know what to do. I looked up, I saw a few people saying they had the same issue, but I saw like no one saying anything worked for them. And I tried to find another app that might be compatible with this camera, and I can't find one either. But yeah, hopefully I get it fixed. I mean, I don't mind. I wanted to post it on Monday. Really, I wanted to post it today. I haven't even found my like judge yet on like what day works best for me posting my vlogs. Like not my food content, but my vlogs. I know what days my food content does good, but so I guess I could just post it any day whenever I get it fixed. But like, dang, I'm trying to get on a little schedule. But I don't know. Yeah, hopefully I get it fixed. I'm just separating some laundry right now, and then I'm gonna try to see if I could transfer using a USB cord or the C cord. That's the one you're supposed to use. So hopefully I get it fixed, because I didn't post a recipe. I haven't posted a recipe in a few days because I can't get any footage off my camera. So we'll see. Hopefully I figure something out, because I can't even transfer this video that I'm making right now. Anywho, but yeah, I'm just about to finish separating my laundry, then figure something out. I'm still doing laundry, but I'm determined to get it done today because I had so much laundry. But yeah, I'm about to, well, I'm watching $1 Million Worth of Game right now. But I'm probably just about to put on a movie or something, fold these clothes, and call it a night. It's raining so bad in Atlanta right now. But yeah, that's my favorite type of nights. Favorite type of nights. But yeah, let's fold these clothes. Y'all, I had to, not me crawling on the bed, ladies. I had to leave the TikTok creator fund today because they were suppressing my views so freaking bad. Like, when I had less followers, I was getting thousands and thousands of views. And now that I have a decent amount of followers, as soon as I joined the creator fund, like, I can't even get over 200 views. Like, this shit be crazy. So I left. I'd rather have the engagement and like build a community than them little pennies. My first TikTok checkbook, well, at first it was saying I didn't have enough to like cash out, I guess. I don't know. But last month I got my first check from being in the creator fund, and it was like $8. Like, I'm grateful for it, but that took months to get that $8. They be sending you, either they suppress your views, or like if the video starts getting traction, then they'll like hit you with like a violation or something. And then after you appeal it, they'll make it seem like you won the appeal, but then they'll like stop the views. Like, it's not worth it. Yeah, I would rather have my peoples engaging in my content than that, cause I gave it a good run. Let me see. Like waitresses or something. I'm trying to find. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, let me not start scrolling, because then I ain't gonna fold my clothes. All right, y'all, we have made some progress. I'm waiting on one more load. I'm waiting on just my towels and stuff to finish. So I'm probably just gonna edit a little bit until those are done, and then I'll probably fold those tomorrow, to be completely honest. But yeah, I'm about to email. I need to email, see if I could find like a customer service for this creator app so I could get my footage transferred to my iPad. So hopefully I can at least post this vlog by Tuesday. I know I'm not gonna be done because it's like some long clips that I can't get. So I'm gonna just edit what I do have right now. And then hopefully we get that thing fixed tomorrow, because it's just turning into an all over the place vlog at this point. Just, I don't even know how many days I recorded. I think I started recording last Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Not last Tuesday, but Tuesday. And today is Sunday. So we shall see. But yeah, I'm gonna get up tomorrow and apply to some more jobs. Hopefully I get called for an interview this week. I really need I really need some good news in the job department. Yeah, I have a part-time right now. I've been looking for a job literally for months. And I don't know, that should be getting discouraging, but I have like goals and deadlines of needing to move, and I did not think finding a job was going to take this long. It gets frustrating some days, but trying to stay positive, try to use my free time not as, oh my god, I can't find a job. I try to use it to just create content and keep my mind busy that way, because otherwise I'd be losing my mind. So I just try to do my food content that makes me happy until I can find something more permanent. And I'm praying that things will change soon, that I'll get some W soon, because I really, really, really need it. This been a rough couple years, for real. And I'm just ready for a complete 180 in my life. Like, I do not want to be living like this, like, in the next month or two. So, yeah. A drastic change is needed. Your girl is tired. Yeah. Just trying to stay encouraged and busy and keeping my creativity and my mind sharp. Like earlier, I was teaching myself how to use this new editing software, because I'm really, I use CapCut and stuff to edit, and I've been using that for a while. So I'm like, let me try something else, find something with some different features. I'm ready to elevate my content. I'm really ready to turn my YouTube up and monetize that. And yeah, this is just, I don't know, this is my first time like vlogging for real. That's why I'm really excited to get, I hope I get this app fixed so that I can edit. But I'm really, it's time to stop playing with, I don't think I play with myself. I do, as far as like I procrastinate, things like that. And I don't know, I think I'm so used to stuff not working out. Like, that's a mental thing, but I'm just so used to things not working out that when I start doing things, sometimes it gets scary. And then I'll start procrastinating, and then I'll quit and move on to something else. But I don't know. We'll see, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to do a little bit of editing before it gets too late, and then I'm gonna call it a night so that I'm not like sleeping too late tomorrow morning. Yeah, alright, y'all. I think I am done for the day. It is time for your girl to call it a night. It is 2:20 in the morning. I've been editing for a few hours. And I'm just gonna pick back up tomorrow. Yeah, I'm about to put my rain sounds on and call it a night. I guess today was productive. I got organized. I did all my laundry. I'll just finish folding tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow is a new week, and I think it's gonna be a good week. I'm grateful for this past week. I'm grateful for today, and I hope tomorrow is better than today was. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, I'm so happy I got the app to work. Yes. So I'm gonna finish editing today. I'm watching my girl Kennedy J in the back. But yes, I'm so excited I can finally finish editing this vlog because I got the creators app to work. So then I'm gonna finish editing. I was up till like, what time did I stop? I stopped editing at like 2:30, I think. Yeah, like almost 2:30. But then I was just up like scrolling on my phone until almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Need to stop doing that. But anyway, yes, girl, let's finish folding up this stuff and then we can edit. All right, y'all. Happy Monday. I didn't tell y'all, so I had to go full Karen on this brand, right? So this brand had reached out to me in April, asked can they send me some product so that what they was like, it was one of those like affiliate collabs. It was like, if you want to make a video, fine, but here's a code for your customers, whatever. Da, 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 da. Love the product, was promoting it, ended up getting somebody made a purchase with my code. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I see that it's money on my dashboard. It wasn't that much. It was like $20. I mean, I'm grateful for that. But when I went to, like, you know how when you do the affiliate programs, you set up your dashboard so you could do your payouts and all that kind of stuff. So me getting the sale triggered me to go look at my dashboard. And when I went to go look at my dashboard, I noticed that it said that the brand doesn't have it enabled for you to make payouts. Okay, cool. It was just like $23 in there, something like that. So I was gonna let it add up anyway, but I just reached out to customer service to be like, hey, I got an order with my affiliate code, and I saw, basically I was just like, I noticed that it wouldn't allow me to set up the payouts. Okay, whatever. No response. But it like wasn't that deep, so it kind of like 2 weeks went by. And I was like, dang, them people ain't write me back. My bad, y'all. I keep moving. This, the lighting in here is crazy. Shit. 2 weeks had like went by, and I was like, dang, I had started thinking about it again because they sent me a reminder email like, don't forget you got a payout or whatever. So I wrote them back. I was like, hey, I reached out to y'all about 2 weeks ago. Trying to figure out how to set up payouts because it says that y'all don't have it enabled. No response. Like another 2 weeks go by, like a week or two go by. So then I reach out to their Instagram. Nothing. Like a week go by, and then they wrote back and was like, hey, we'll direct this to the content creator team or whatever. And I was like, okay, cool. Don't hear anything. So then I start emailing again. It's like a month now go by. And I'm like, I don't know what y'all got going on, but this is kind of looking like sketchy. Like y'all just get people to promote y'all brand and have no intention on paying them. Cause I was like my issue wasn't that deep. It wasn't even really an issue, but now I have an issue cause y'all are ignoring me. Man, I say like a month and a half go by, somebody wrote me back like, hey, I'm just seeing this. I've been trying to reach our social media managers. I'm CCing them in this email. If you don't hear from them by EOD, then please respond to this email again. Didn't hear nothing. So then I write back, that evening and that morning, I was like, hey, you told me to reach out to you at EOD. I still didn't hear anything. Never hear from this person again. And this is all coming from the corporate emails. Never hear from this person again. So then, this is like mid-June now. Like a couple weeks ago. So I'm like, look, I don't know what's going on. Like, I was like, I couldn't be getting scammed because I'm like, why would y'all send me the product if it was a scam? So I'm like, I'm just having an issue with y'all communication. And I was like, if somebody does not respond to me by the end of the day, then I'm going to take other measures. So then somebody writes me back. Mind you, this whole time, so now like a month and a half has gone by. This whole time it's been showing on my dashboard that I had a sale and I had money on my dashboard. So this lady writes me back and was like, hey Brittany, like sorry for the delay, but yeah, once you get a sale, it'll show up on your dashboard and you'll be allowed to set up payouts. And I was like, I do have a sale. And I was like, y'all keep emailing me to remind me to set up my payouts. and it ain't working. She goes, so then when her saying that I didn't have a sale triggered me to go back to my dashboard. Why this shit says 0 sales, 0 money on my account? So then I start writing them like, oh, y'all playing on me. Like, y'all playing, like, now trying to make it seem like I didn't have a sale because now I'm making it an issue now. So y'all removed the sale off my account. I wrote her back immediately. I was like, no, I do have a sale. I sent her screenshots and everything. I was like, I do have a sale. It's been showing I have a sale, and you all keep emailing me, reminding me to set up my payouts. And this lady gonna say, oh, well, some people return things and it probably just refreshed. I said, girl, no, like literally before you wrote me back, it was saying I have a sale. Like, don't play with me. Do not play with me. Nobody ever responds. Like, another 2 weeks go by. Somebody emails me talking about, hey, Brittany, we're still trying to figure out what's going on, but do you have PayPal or Venmo, and we could just send it externally until we figure out what's going on with your account? This was 2 weeks ago, literally, because I just emailed them again, and it had said like 12 or 13 days since the last time somebody responded to me. And the last response was, what's your PayPal or Venmo so we could send it externally? I have not heard a thing, so yeah, I just sent the full Karen email. And of course, like, now these places don't have customer service numbers listed no more, so you have to email or you have to chat. Like, that should be blowing me. Y'all, I can't wait till I have to deal with stuff like this no more. Like, in a couple months, I'm be getting paid for my own shit. But yeah. What should I do, y'all? Like, and I put them in the email today. I was like, y'all need to respond to me by the end of the day, because I would really hate to have to take this to social media. Like, I hate doing stuff like that. I was like, but I would hate to have to take this to social media because I really enjoyed your product. And I was like, I even went live cooking with your product, and my followers loved it and they purchased. So I would really hate to have to take it to TikTok or take it to Instagram. But you know, they got until today, and it's going down. But yeah, let me finish folding these towels, y'all, and then we're gonna edit. It was literally just within inches, oh, just hot, within inches of dying from starvation. I needed something quick, fast. I had some tortillas and some cheese. I made some little cheesy little taco things, and I had some marinara sauce in the fridge and some sour cream. It's doing what needs to be done. I don't know why I do that. Like, wait till I'm starving. And it'd be for no reason. I think because sometimes I'd be so tired of cooking. But I suck at, like, buying snacks. Like, when it's time to go buy snacks, I never know what to get. Especially when you're trying not to eat junk.